Rob Tell on the track. Hop in the whip and I hit these switches. See that chrome suspension. Look at the car, you know who did it. I don't have to mention. They know it's Alex from Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Tell 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in for.
What's up and good morning, guys? How are you? Welcome back to the channel. It is dark, it is early. I had to turn the light on just so you can see me, but as you guys can see, I can't see out of my windshield at all. Got tint on the front windshield, makes it a little hard at night or in the early mornings as of today, or like today. But we're on our way to work right now. We got a whole bunch going on, of course, like always. But if you guys are new to the channel, thank you guys for subscribing. Normally my intro is a little more exciting than this, but it's too early and I'm tired. So before we went in, I had to stop off, grab me a little ham and cheese and bacon croissant at the donut shop right here. And now we gotta go see if we beat Vic to work this morning. All right, let's see if we beat him. Oh dang, he beat me. He beat me today. Another amazing day with this guy over here. Help me out, guys. Good morning there, buddy. Good morning. Rise and shine. What happened?
You don't have it even on.
Yeah, I do. It's on.
Early in the morning, Alex. Early in the morning.
It's too early. You get your coffee?
No coffee.
Got your Red Bull? Got your chimichanga? Fucking chimichanga. So I built this whole wagon right here. Obviously I did a lot of seeing like the cutouts in it just so it wasn't as heavy, but it still has structural strength. And then on top of that, built little spindles, a little drop mount for the front end. Let me get this off this rack, but I just painted it last night, and I'm not a painter, guys, so don't judge the paint. This is literally the second thing I've ever painted out of a gun. But I had some leftover paint from when I did my horn, so I figured let's just shoot it real quick, match the truck, get a white and red theme going like everything else. So this is it right here. Here's a spindle in the front. So it has two spindles. I'm running those tires on it right there. And well, these are the pegs that actually mount the ice chest on there. I had to tape those off so I didn't get paint on there, so because it's already a tight fit as it is. There it is, all done. Vic had no faith, like always. He said, why don't you just go to Home Depot? Because he's a platinum member at Home Depot. He wanted me to go to Home Depot and buy a wagon and cut the plastic. Dude, that's ghetto, man.
I told you Lowe's, not Home Depot.
Okay, well, I'm sorry, you got a little more fancy, Rodeo Drive Lowe's. But I'm sure this customized is a lot better than a plastic wagon cut crooked by you.
Why it's gonna be crooked?
Because have you ever cut anything straight?
Yeah.
We'll end the video on that note.
Lines?
So guys, this one actually has a full drop front end on it. We had to make some custom little spindles on there. And as you can see, the steering's all functional on there. Some little front radius arms just like my truck. A drop cage, which I don't have on the truck, but maybe one day. And a little tow hook in the back, just because. But now we can actually roll this thing around without it weighing 200 pounds and 3 people carrying it. We could actually pull it around. Vic, what do you think, man? The idea worked out pretty good. Look at that. I got welding shin guards and I got shorts.
It's a new Fashion Nova thing.
Yeah.
See?
I wanna. It's like a cowboy. So now that I wasted enough time on that, a whole 30 minutes on assembly, we're getting started on a whole bunch of kits here that are going out for wholesale wheel call. So Vic's getting all the hoses and stuff built up right now, and I think we have, Vic, we got one more? We got one more to do. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 kits total as of this morning, and it's only like 7:15. So I gotta keep going, gotta keep pushing, and thank you guys always for supporting us. So let us keep rolling on here, and we got some more stuff coming. I gotta do some trailing arms here. We're doing a total of 10. Got a nice little stop set up here so they all repeat. Clamp it down. Kick this guy on. That one's done. Now we gotta go and weld all these up. You guys can see we're doing a 2-inch notch here. That way the bushing fits in there perfect. Get a nice clean fitment, and when you go and weld it, you have you know, ultimate strength, and it's a cleaner weld. Woo, guys! So we just snuck out 3 sets of G bodies that were just got pulled from the shelf for shipping. Then I restocked them right now. So those are done. Those are the ones we were just cutting. Then I got all this stuff down here to get to. Then I got all this stuff lined up right here still. Still haven't got to those. We're still waiting on material for the Z-Rack hinges to come in. They sent us the wrong material last time, unfortunately. But this is the next batch here. Luckily, for those of you guys that were asking on IG, this is not for sale. Now, unless the price is worth it, then it might be, but it's not for sale. This is for personal use only. I posted a picture on my DM or on my Instagram, and obviously I was already getting DMs on it. I'm not looking to mass produce these or nothing like this. This was just for my personal self. They do sell wheel rolling kits for Yetis that they offer online. Now again, this might change down in the future, but right now, just don't have the time for it, guys. The machine has been cutting all day, the CNC plasma, using our plasma cam. We've been literally cutting all day. Our scrap is starting to get a little ridiculous back here. I think it's time to call a scrap guy and get all this picked up. Yeah, this is getting a little out of hand now. Definitely get all this stuff recycled. But we got Charlie in here cleaning up a whole bunch of Impala kits. These are what's going out next. So we got, this is a rear arch kit for Impala. He's cleaning it up right now using our Makita. And his work is obviously stacked up back there as well. So again, we're just staying busy. We're just trying to pump through these orders as fast as we can, stay on track, stay hydrated. And luckily, my beautiful grandma, yes, I said my grandma stopped on by, gave me a nice birthday card, and she brought me lunch. So thank you, Grandma. I don't know if you watch my videos or not, but thank you, Grandma. I do appreciate that. A little late birthday gift, but they had just came back from Sturgis. They went on the bike run out there, and obviously, you know, with all this COVID stuff, she had to go. They both had to go get tested, make sure they were negative. Which the test results came back negative, so that was good. And so now she was allowed to come over here and, you know, see everybody and interact as much as we're allowed to, staying in limitations, obviously. Woo! So guys, I am back. I snuck away for a few days. Went to Havasu, tested out that cooler. I guess that was an excuse to go out there. No, not really. But we had an Airbnb out there. We kind of just, you know, hung out, took the boat out, chilled out there, had a good time with the family. But we're back, and I am dragging, and I am tired, and I had orders stacked up, literally these whole counter. So, yeah, I got to get going on that. Thank God for my monster. So far this morning, it is, what time is it here? It is 7 a.m., like 7:04. We got all these Z-Rack hinges just built up. These are going out to Colorado Minis and to JSP Auto in Hawaii. And right now we have Vic pulling a big order back there. Hey Vic, did you miss me? Oh, looks like Vic got one up on me already. He's already catching, or he already passed me up. Vic, did you miss me this weekend?
Not really, but
he missed me. You missed me. And it looks like we got another one being pulled right here. This is just this morning's orders. I got a whole bunch of t-shirts going out. Got a whole bunch of fittings going out for a customer. All these, and all this stuff. And we're not done. We got 4 pages here that we're going off. Yeah, so we got a lot of stuff to pull. And the good news too, the ice chest cooler pooler worked great out in Havasu. I kind of forgot about that because we're jumping back and forth on this video because I started filming this before I left. Then I realized, man, I didn't even got enough footage to put a video together, so that's what today is. Today we're just gonna add on more content to the video from last week. That way you guys could have a, you know, a whole little series or whatever you want to call that. So guys, let us get to work now and we will see you later. So me and Vic finally got them all pulled. There you go. So here's all today's orders for pickup for wholesale accounts. So we got a lot going out. We had a lot come in right now. So time to get rolling. Oh yeah, look at all this on the wholesale account. So gotta keep it going, guys. So next step here is I just hooked up the welder up here. Gotta get wishbone finalized. Actually, I gotta get 6 of them finalized, but I only got 2 already somewhat pre-built. So we're gonna finish these 2 first, and that's how those guys go right there. Get those all buzzed up, welded up. Obviously, I gotta clean up this table real quick. It's a mess back here. Toss all my welding stuff, and just keep going. You guys keep rolling throughout the day. We got a lot going on. I also just got a random call asking if my truck was for sale, and well, guys, it might. I mean, who knows? I don't know if this guy is gonna come through or not, but if not, I mean, if not, we keep it. You know, no big deal. I love the truck. I don't want to get rid of it, but hey, everything's for sale. So if this guy comes through, this truck might be gone, and we might be having to add another truck to this channel and another build. So we'll see what happens, guys. Well, guys, we got a lot of cutting going on here. G-body frame kits on the way. So we got a total of 5 sheets right here for G-body frame kits. Those are being cut up. Got to get them cleaned up. Got to get them shipped out. We got 4 of these orders. Got to get going by tomorrow. So we got to keep the ball rolling. Top of that, a lot of material showed up early this morning. So, you know, a lot of times I don't show you guys like the shipping process and us pulling parts. And a lot of you guys ask for videos every day. But the thing is, if I do a video every day, a lot of times you guys are going to see stuff that you don't like, because it's going to be the same old pulling a fitting kit, you know, putting pumps together, the same thing over and over. And what happens with that is, I mean, we do that every day. That's our bread and butter, our shipping. So that's why there's not a video every single day. And on top of that, the editing would just be ridiculous. So I try to show you guys more of the highlight stuff, some stuff that's going to be interesting, obviously, you know. Well, guys, that pretty much sums up today. In the truck, warming it up right now. I mean, I don't gotta really warm it up. It's 96 degrees right now, so not too bad, but I gotta get this AC going so before I get on the road. So thank you guys always for watching. Thank you for always liking and subscribing. If you guys don't already subscribe, make sure you guys subscribe now. Hit the notification, do all that good stuff like every other YouTuber says, right? Do it, do it, do it. If you guys like the content, thank you guys. Comment, give me a thumbs up below, and we'll get some more up there for you. We are also going to be jumping on that Sentra pretty soon, so make sure you guys stay tuned. You guys have a good one.
Hoppos. Custom work come from Hoppos. I'm Rob Taylor 504. For anybody that gotta know, Alex stay with fresh content, and he keep it coming like a slideshow. Never cut corners far as I know, but he cut metal with his eyes closed. Control arms, reinforced frame, still killing the game. You see the gun smoke from Impalas with the X-frame, doing tricks like it came from the X game. Everybody gotta tune in for